Maybe after this I can have a chiropractic session. All right, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to add a outlet to that side of the wall from this outlet here. This is a GFI protected outlet, and we're going to come around and add an outlet here. There's going to be a table here, so we're going to add an outlet down low. So the first thing that we have to do is we're going to pipe this all the way down. We're going to go in the ground, and we're going to pull all this material back, and we're going to dig a trench. First we're going to move some of the rock so that way it doesn't get tangled into the dirt. So you have to be careful because there's like water pipes in there. Sprinkler actually. Oh yeah, perfect. You can go right under that. Let me pull this back a little bit. I'm gonna have to turn the sprinklers on and check all these pipes under here. I might have a sprinkler repair video, yeah. That thing holds a lot of material. Can't believe how many roots are under here. Okay, so now we dug the hole. I was gonna jet under the sidewalk with water, but I think that because of this span, it's so little, that we can probably just push the pipe through. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to cover this with a little bit of tape on the end here, and I'm going to try to push it through and see what happens. It's like sugar sand under here. So, and by the way, Schedule 40 pipe has to be buried 18 inches in the ground per code. That's from the 2014 code. I could, you know, but I think it's still the same, but 18 inches down. Let's try to push this and see what happens. Oh yeah. Okay, maybe I can make a little wedge here and try to push it. Let's see. In order for this to work really well, I'm going to have to dig back a little bit and then push it. But let me see if I can do it. Water's the only way to go. All right, let me set up and get the water hose, and then we'll jet under there. So what I did, I had a piece of hose, a small piece of hose here. But anyways, I put that on there. Can you see it? Mm-hmm. Okay. It's just like a sprinkler 90 and a piece of 3/4 female adapter for the PVC. And then I'm going to take this and put it on the back end of the PVC. I wish I could do the whole pipe, but this hose is so small.
You just got dirt on my toes.
Okay, well, let's see. So I'll go ahead and cut the pipe. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this pipe since the hose is short, and then I'll put a coupling in it. All right, so there it is. PVC cutters, Harbor Freight. Okay. Hey, can you, while you're filming, can you turn the water on? Hold on. Ready? Go ahead and turn the water on. Ooh. Ooh, so squishy. You see any water on that side?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. Should be there pretty soon. Okay. Let's do it. I'm gonna get dirty. So, okay. Come on, baby. All right. Alright, turn this on. Ah, a lot better. Alright.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's it. Cool. It's pretty deep, but that'll work. All right, so now I'm gonna turn this on real quick so I can rinse my hands. Hey, plumber's thing. Say no to crack. Got to pull up my pants. Cool. All right. And like I said, I cut the 1/2-inch pipe because that hose we only keep out here to rinse something off. But anyways, it's down there somewhere. So now let's see where it is, because it's probably a little deeper. There it is. Okay, found it. Yeah. Wow. That's over 18 inches. So, okay. That's gonna be fun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get some glue. I'm gonna glue this end to that side, and then I'm gonna pull it out. Try to pull it out. I'll be right back. All right, with this pipe, you don't need any cleaner like we did inside with the on the last episode. We did a you don't have to clean it. These pipes get water in them anyways. So, Good grief. There goes that theory. Okay. Damn. That's so glued on there. Okay. Alright. Almost. I still get one. Ow! Alright, hold on. Let me go get something. Let me go get something that is gonna work.